Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make a split text effect using Canva. It's actually super simple to do, so let's get started with a video. I'm just going to type in the word hello. You can obviously type in whatever you want, and I'm also going to change the font here. Okay, that's like literally the same one. Let's use this font because it's cute. Okay, so I'm going to color it pink. It's my favorite color. And I am then going to download this first as a PNG. Transparent background and press download. Then I'm going to get that image. Sorry, I'm just trying to find where I saved it. And I'm just going to place it in the canvas here, and I'm going to kind of adjust it so it's the same size. There we go. Okay, then I'm just going to kind of crop it this way so it's like a split. Then I'm going to select the original text, and I'm just going to change the color to blue. Wait, okay, I need to put this on top of that one first of all. Here I'm just going to make some adjustments. There we go. And that's it. Ta-da! Super cute bubblegum color. I love these colors together. Well, I like pink and green too. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.